Okay, Whitney's gonna prank call a person named Ken, and his last name is Peabody. We're gonna watch this. Wait, I want the comfy chair, cause I've gotta like document this perfectly. This is gonna be really funny. Here she is. Right now she's looking. And she's dialing. See, it'd be really bad if we didn't get any answer. Facebook people wouldn't like that.
Put me through that.
I'm gonna go on the computer while you do that.
Hi. Yeah.
What? What did they say? They said like 3 sentences.
They're like, hello. I'm like, hi. Can I help you? Yeah. And I hung up.
Was it a girl or a boy?
It was a guy.
Mr. Peabody. Is there any more Peabodys?
Yeah, there's one more.
Okay, here comes another Peabody.
There's a Peachman.
Peachman. Who are you calling now?
Peabody S.
Okay, S. Peabody. S. Peabody. We'll put this on Facebook like right after we're finished. So we'll have more memory space.
I can't, it's too slow.
We'll let it sit typically in the bud.
Hello. Hi. Are you Mr. Peabody? Oh, is Mr. Peabody there? Okay. Hi. Are you Mr. Peabody? I couldn't do it anymore.
Hello, is this Mr. Peabody?
No.
Can you get him? Yes. Hello, is this Mr. Peabody?
If they call back, I'm gonna freak out.
Just dial another number.
Peachman?
Yes, call Peachman.
Well, I need a good prank call, because I'm just like, hello.
Yeah, now you're just leaving them hanging and asking for Mr. Peabody. Say, this is the pen factory, which likes to let you know that all your pens are toxic and I'd be careful if your young ones are around, or say the